So here we are, right? The first thing, before I actually go into it, and make sure you watch to the very end because that's when the secret sauce is revealed. And I don't want you to miss that because this literally does not work unless you have that secret component, right? So make sure you watch to the end, right? And I do have a special bonus for you as well. Now, first and foremost, I'm assuming that you guys have a Clickbank account. If you guys don't already, you simply go to clickbank.com. You go to create an account, and you create an account, self-explanatory. Now, once you get inside the actual back office, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna press Marketplace, right? Once you press Marketplace, you're gonna go ahead and get access to offers, right? Now, what you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and find a niche. Now, the most profitable niches are health, wealth, and romance, right? Why? Because romance isn't going anywhere, health isn't going anywhere, people are always gonna wanna be healthy, and last but not least, people are always gonna wanna make more money. That's why you're watching this video right now. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and go to e-business and e-marketing. That's basically MMO, considered make money online. And what you wanna do is you wanna go to something that has a high gravity score. Now, what the gravity score entails when it comes to Clickbank is that a large amount of people, right, over here, 85 people have been getting sales within this this offer, right? 72. Now, one thing I want to show you guys, well, not one thing that I want to show you guys, but if you guys check out health and wellness, there's going to be much higher gravity scores because people are generating more sales. But with make money online products, there's going to usually be a higher profit margin, right? For example, Clickbank University, if I was to promote that, $113.48 is the average commission payout. And there's 72 people actively within the last week. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. So you guys don't have to do the first method. I would go ahead and check out which one you wanna promote. Now, before you press the promote button, actually check out the offer, right? Do your due diligence. Is this something that I actually wanna promote? Now, once I actually take a look at this, okay, so very clean. Brandable, obviously it's Clickbank and it's branded by Clickbank, so why wouldn't I, right? So 13,000 people viewed this within the last 24 hours. I like this offer, I'm gonna go ahead and promote it, right? Now, next, how are we gonna go ahead and promote this? Now, what we wanna do is simply press promote. And we're gonna go ahead and create a link. And here's gonna be our link, right? Sorry ahead of time for the dogs barking. They will stop in a second. But let's get into it, right? Now that I have my link, what am I going to do with this link, right? Now, here's the method and here's how you guys actually do it. So first and foremost, you guys want evergreen content. That's how we're gonna go ahead and make money with passive income, right? And the best examples I could give you guys is number one, blogging, and number two, YouTube SEO, right? Now, here's the thing. Just to give you guys an example, if I was to look at how to make money online, I'm trying to solve a problem, right? What's gonna happen is there's gonna be blogs, right, that come up. So an example is, well, that's Forbes. So 65 Genius Ways, Earn Money Network. So guys, basically what happens is it's called search engine optimization. This is evergreen content. This content is literally ranking for that keyword. So whenever I search that keyword, this is the first content. So what you're trying to do is you're competing to get to the top. So you're trying to rank your content, right? Now here's the thing, you're probably thinking, right, okay, blogging, cool. My writing skills suck and I don't know how to create a website, cool. There's another option, and the option that I'm actually gonna cover within this video is YouTube SEO. Now, if you wanna learn about blogging, right, it's great evergreen content. The objective, guys, before I actually go into the method, is you wanna go ahead and send this traffic to a capture page, right? What is a capture page? Its sole objective is to capture an email address, right? And then what's gonna happen is it's literally gonna drive traffic to this email autoresponder, which you're gonna start building an email list, and then you're gonna be doing email marketing, right? But before we get into that, right, once you go ahead and capture that email, the next step is redirecting them to your sales page. Now, here's what most people teach. They say go ahead and send your traffic directly to a sales page. Now the problem with that is that, believe it or not, most people don't buy until the 8th or 10th point of contact. What that means is the first time that I interact with this person, it's called cold traffic. Now, if you continue to warm up that audience and you continue to follow up with value and then sometimes pitching your products, you're gonna build trust with your audience. People who know, like, and trust you, meaning they're gonna be more likely to actually buy what you're selling. So let's just say, right, I send multiple emails out. So 1 email, 2 email, 3 email, 4, 5, 6, 7. And a couple of these are actually value-based content. For example, let's just say I sent out this video right here to my email list. It's providing straight value, right? Then what I might do later on is actually send a promo, right? So what's gonna happen is that one person, that one traffic, or let's just put it right here, that one visitor, instead of me being able to market to them one time, and if they came across this sales page, right? If they came across this sales page and they did not buy, so they came across this sales page, they did not buy, what happens is I can never market to that person ever again. But because I captured their email, right, what I'm gonna be able to do is 2 types of things, right? I'm gonna be able to follow up with my email marketing, and then what you can do is also, what's pretty cool is you can upload this list with advertisement platforms and do something called retargeting or marketing, to where you can send them completely separate paid ads just by exporting that list and then targeting those actual people with Facebook ads, YouTube ads, right? The list goes on. But how do we actually create this YouTube SEO content? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys 2 examples in the make money online niche. Now, there's different ways, but here's one. So here's the broad approach. There's 2 approaches. One is broad, and then one is very specific. So the broad approach, right? Just to show you guys, I ranked for these specific keywords, right? So how to get free money on PayPal in 2018. I uploaded this content about 2 months ago, and within 2 months, it has 125,000 views. Now, if I go to show search rankings, now most likely you're not gonna have this, but this is through TubeBuddy. Now, if you look here, I'm ranked number 1, right? YouTube SEO for 2 keywords. So the objective, guys, is to rank for keywords, right? So how to get free money. So if we go to Google, or YouTube rather, and I type in how to get free money, I'm the first video, right? Now let's go to YouTube again. The next keyword is how to get free money on PayPal. So how to get free money on PayPal. So what I did was I edited my description. If you notice, I have the first line of my actual description as the actual keyword that I'm trying to rank for. It's in my title, it's in my thumbnail. So what happens is I'm ranked number 1 for both of these. Now, what does that tell us? When people search this, just to show you guys, well, I'm not gonna go, for time's sake, I'm not gonna do that, but there's 835,000 results for this specific keyword, and I'm ranked number 1. For this keyword, there's 31 million results, and I'm ranked number 1, right? So what happens is all this traffic is going to my YouTube videos, right? And what I do is within my content, I simply go ahead and give them value. It's called the 80-20 rule, 80% value. And then I go ahead and recommend a product, a Clickbank product, recommend a product that can get them their desired results quicker. So obviously if they're looking to make free money, right, I'm gonna say, okay, if you guys wanna make free money, here's an option, but here's a quicker way. And then I redirect them to this affiliate link. Number 2 is this one right here. So this is a little bit more targeted. There's less views, but I make a lot more money for the traffic because it's very targeted, right? Now this one is what they don't tell you about Legendary Marketer Review. So it should be what they don't tell you about Legendary Marketer, but I was trying to rank for this specific keyword, Legendary Marketer and Legendary Marketer Review. Now what that is, guys, is a high ticket affiliate program. Now if you guys look, I'm ranked for Legendary Marketer Review, I'm ranked number 3. And for Legendary Marketer, I'm ranked number 1. So if we go to, and the reason why is because it's in my keyword, it's the first part of my title. So here's the magic formula, guys. Have it in your tags. Have your actual keyword that you're trying to rank for in your title, and then have it in the first line. And then what's going to happen is, if you have good quality content, guys, you can't polish a turd. If it's shitty content, it's not going to rank. So you have to try to rank with your description, your tag, and your title, right? But then you need great quality content. And then last but not least, what I'm doing with this one, so just to show you guys, just to prove that. So YouTube, we're gonna go to legendary marketer. So guys, when people search in legendary marketer, I don't know why it's not showing as number 1, right? But it should show up as number 1, and then legendary marketer review is showing up as number 3, as stated before. So what happens is, I'm getting all this traffic. Now guys, the objective, if you notice, there's a lot less results for legendary marketer reviews. There's only 5,000 results. In the legendary marketer, there's only 10,000 results. But even though there's minimal results, it's very targeted. So an example is, if you were to go to, let's just say, an offer on Clickbank, what I can do is I can do Clickbank University Review. And it's going to be a lot less. Just to show you guys an example, Clickbank University. So for this keyword, there's only 12,000 people, so it's much easier to rank. And then Clickbank University Review, 8,000 results, so it's not as competitive, right? But if I say how to get free money, right, 31 million results, it's a lot more competitive. So if you're just starting out, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and try to grab that low-hanging fruit. I mean, people who doesn't have such a high search results. That's why one of them has only 2,000 views and the other one has 125,000 views, because one has much higher search engine. So because I was able to rank for that, I'm literally getting a lot more traffic, but it's not as targeted, right? So even though I'm getting a lot less views for this legendary marketer review, legendary marketer, right? Legendary marketer. What happens is it's a lot more targeted. So if you notice, I'm ranked number 1. So it's a lot more targeted and specific. So this is going to be worth more money, the traffic right here, right? Not as much traffic, but worth more money, more quality traffic, way more targeted, right? So guys, just to go back, what we're going to be doing is driving this content, right? Put the link in the description, You're going to be driving traffic to this capture page. What's going to happen is, after they put in their email, they're going to go ahead and get access to your sales page, and then they're going to turn into money right here, right? But for the people who do not buy, you're going to go and collect those leads, and once you collect those leads, you're going to start doing email marketing. And the formula for email marketing is value, 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 pitch, right? So you want to provide a whole bunch of value, build a relationship with that list, and then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and start pitching them your Clickbank offers, right? And what you can also do is provide different offers that aren't even Clickbank, right? Just to show you guys a quick example, what I recently did is did an email marketing campaign with ClickFunnels, which I don't even promote ClickFunnels, but I said, why not shoot an email blast to my list for a specific product? And then what happened was, give me 1 second. So boom, $398, $60, so about $600 within the last week, because I did 3 emails, right? And that's because I've already built an email list. I've built trust within that list. I'll actually show you guys what an email list looks like, or an autoresponder. So what happens is, in my email list, right, I go ahead and hit my email list with these emails, right? So I have 7,000 emails. With one email, I can reach 7,000 people. Hence why an extra $658 in pure profit. So that being said, guys, here's the magic formula with Clickbank. You want to create evergreen content, so content that people will like. This content that I created, guys, is going to be there for years to come. It's always going to be generating income, because it's not just like a Facebook post. No, people will constantly be searching for it. It'll stay ranked, And while it stays ranked, right, I'm gonna continue to get that traffic to my affiliate offers. I'm gonna be building my list, right, because most people are gonna tell you to just drive traffic to your sales page. You're losing out on all those people who you could be selling on the back end who might not buy from you up front, but once you build a relationship, they actually buy from you. Now, here's the thing, guys. If you guys are looking to actually generate an income, the number one recommendation for making money online will be the first link in the description, right? That's what I use.